Hi.
How's it, everybody? It's your boy George here with Aloha Junkman. This morning we are here with Gwyneth, and
How are you?
we're gonna let her tell you guys her side of the story, her experience with Aloha Junkman.
Okay, so I just got back from the mainland last night, and I am a teacher, a homeschool coordinator teacher, and I was trying to get everything moved into a new classroom. My moving van canceled, and my husband got called back to the mainland on an emergency, and I called Aloha Junkman on a whim. They're not even movers, and George here saved me. He worked me into a schedule, came right away, helped me move everything over, and now we'll be up and ready to go on Tuesday. Can't thank you enough. Can't thank Aloha Junkman enough. This is really, you care a lot about community, and the kids really appreciate this. So thank you. It was awesome.
Amen. You guys heard it from her. You know, we're helpers. You guys know that all of this is because of God's glory. He's the one that gives us the ability to be able to help people out. And you guys know this. If you guys need our help and we're able to help you guys, give us a call. The number is 808-940-0809. Your boys at Aloha Junkman.
Amazing. Have a blessed day.
Amen.